Ruby from BOGOS here. Today, I'll show you how to run gift with purchase offers on Shopify Point of Sale, so you can reward customers in your physical stores just like you do online. Before we jump in, please note that POS doesn't support gift offers with collection conditions, gift offers with sub-conditions, except for sales channels, gift cards as gifts. Alright, let's get started. First, install the BOGOS app on your Shopify store and the Shopify POS app on your device. Links are in the description if you need them. Once that's done, open the POS app on your device. From the home screen, tap Add Tile, then App. From the list, select BOGOS, add the BOGOS POS UI extension, then click Save. BOGOS is now ready on your POS. Now, let's add gifts to a POS order. Also, BOGOS gifts in POS work the same way as gifts in your online store, following the gift mechanism you've set in BOGOS settings. To learn more about how these mechanisms work, check our explainer video linked below. You'll need an active gift offer in the BOGOS app, and all products involved in the offer are published to the POS channel. If you're using the gift clone mechanism, check it in BOGOS settings. Please note that clone products are only created after you set up an offer, so be sure to publish them to the POS as well. Then open Shopify POS. Here you can add gifts to the cart in two ways, and I'll cover both. 1. Automatically add gifts to POS cart. With this option, after adding items to your cart and the cart meets your offer conditions, for example, mine is buying this dress, a gift will automatically be added. When I delete the dress, the gift will be auto-deleted too. To set this up when creating your gift offer, simply choose Automatically add all gifts. Easy, right? 2. If you want to give customers some choices, they can pick their favorite gift from a list instead. To enable this option, when creating your gift offer, select number of gifts the customer will receive, then enter how many they can claim. Now on the POS app, add products to the cart. Make sure the cart meets your offer conditions. Back to the POS home screen and tap BOGOS POS. Customers can now browse available gifts and tap Claim Gift for the one they want. After gifts are added, you can check out as usual. If you want a gift offer to be exclusive for those who buy from your physical stores or in some specific locations only, in your gift offer setup, look for Add Subcondition. Choose Sales Channel, untick the online store, and enable the point of sale channel. If you want this offer to run at all your POS locations, just leave this field blank. But if you want it available only at specific stores, simply select your desired POS locations. One last thing, let's talk about how gift inventory is managed. For gift clone mechanism, as gift products are the clone versions of original products, you can enable this setting to auto-sync clone quantities with original products, or manage gift inventory manually. For gift function mechanism, as gift products are the original products, gift quantities auto-sync with your inventory setup in Shopify. And that's it! You now know how to run gift offers on Shopify POS using BOGOS app. Thanks for watching, and Ruby will see you in the next video.